Plus, we have a cold front on the way, and in fact, the rain chances are there. 1 to 2 inches out towards the west, 2 to 3 inches out towards the east. Details on what you should be expecting tonight at 10.
This is a generation-defining moment. And like every such moment, we will be defined not by the challenge itself, but by what we do now. During this unprecedented time, know that we at UT Health RGV will always be here to serve the entire Rio Grande Valley. To our students, our staff, and our faculty, who are rallying together like never before to supply much-needed equipment, we thank you truly.
We're here for you with beautiful furniture. 60-month interest
The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Hidalgo County in deep South Texas until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Oh yeah.
At 10:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lorenzo, Delaware's Valley Middle School,
Same place as last
moving
one.
east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Edinburgh, Mission, Pharr, San Juan, Alamo, Hidalgo, Palmview, Penitas, Sullivan City, McAllen, Pharr, and La Jolla. This includes the following highways: Bus Highway 83 between mile markers 840 and 850. Interstate Highway 69C between mile markers 1 and 12. Bus Highway 281 between mile markers 784 and 794. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Hidalgo County in deep South Texas until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Citrus City, or near McCook, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McCook, Fayetteville, Edinburgh, South Texas International Airport, Edinburgh, South Texas International Airport, Red Gate, Doolittle, and McAllen. This includes the following highways: Interstate Highway 69C near mile marker 12. Bus Highway 281 between mile markers 762 and 764. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Flash flood what remains and if damage to windows and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
You don't say.
Locations impacted include Edinburgh, Mission, Pharr, Harlingen, West Laco, San Juan, Alamo, Donna, Mercedes, Santa Rosa, McAllen, Louisiana, Hoya, Elsa, Ed Couch, and Hidalgo. This includes the following highways. Bus Highway 83
Yeah, might as well just issue it for the whole entire valley, don't you think?
846 and 850.
That would be better.
Interstate Highway 69 east between
Jeez,
mile
don't
markers
jump-
21
don't
and
jump scare
39.
me.
Interstate Highway 69C between mile markers 1 and 11. Bus Highway 281 between mile markers 784 and 826. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
By lightning.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not
Ooh, that was some downtime.
flash flood watch remains in effect through Saturday evening. County in deep South Texas. Central Star County in deep South Texas until 2:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include mainly rural areas of west central Hidalgo and east central Star counties. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots. Remain alert for flooding even in locations not receiving rain. Arroyos, streams, and rivers can become raging killer currents in a matter of minutes, even from distant rainfall. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Flash flood watch remains in